Hello, this is Melvin, and I am making a second video to my first one of the snow here in Wilkinsburg on Ross Avenue. And as you see, it's pretty thick. The last time I was out here was 10 to 11. Now it's 3:20 a.m. And we're going down 1100 block of Ross Avenue, making a right, and going on to East Swissvale. You can tell the roads are pretty damn bad. Just by beating down, don't like there's any time that's plow's been down here. So this is down East Swissvale, all the way down to going down to Laketon, Robinson Boulevard, go up to Upullet, up in Penn Hills. And here's my street. Goes up to Penn Avenue, Route 8, going to Forest Hills to Route 30. And you see, nothing's been done. So who knows when they're going to do something. It's pretty pathetic. And Route 8, Route 30, it's a state road. So you can't imagine that something be done. But apparently not. The snow is already how thick. And we're supposed to get, it was from Saturday, 10 o'clock. But it came later than that. Like 4 a.m. There's one of our ambulances going up Eastern, up Penn Avenue. As you can see on the sign here, we're coming up the Stoner Way here. Goes on a dead end, goes back out around Penn Avenue, Route 8. And this goes down Penn Avenue, Stoner Way that way, to Pittsburgh. Take you down towards East Liberty. And here's the Marathon gas station. Used to be the old Exxon. Back in the day, and like last June. This June. Yeah, June of 2020, they opened up. Put a Marathon up here on the Exxon. And here, as you can see the sign. North 8 goes down. South 8 goes up. Deplorable conditions. And they're calling from 3 to 6. It's supposed to last until Tuesday night, like 6 o'clock in the morning. I mean, afternoon, I think. Here's our gas here at the Marathon in Wilkinsburg. And you can sell these, they sell beer here, hot food. It's a little Fury advertisement for them. Here comes a car up, going south on Penn Avenue. He's pulling over. So I don't know when they plan on doing something here. The old car wash. Yeah, you can tell nothing's been done on this road for a long time.